is Jasmine and I am the owner of PCSG, and today I will be showing you exactly how to register in the City Goals eSchool. Let's begin. So you click here and please give your name, and you give your name, James. Once you've given your name, it takes you to rep your flag. Now you click here, rep your flag, like so, and you select your flag. And then you click the tick to confirm. Now you go to study group size. You go here and select the study group size you want to study in, like so. Click the tick to confirm, and then you come into CXC Proficiency Select whether you do CSEC or CAPE. Click the tick to confirm. After that, you go into CSEC Subject Select, like so. Select your subjects by matching the emojis. So CSEC Spanish, CSEC Spanish, CSEC POB, CSEC POB. And then your classrooms will start to show up and your texting channels. So I'll select a bunch of random emojis. When I'm finished, I click the tick to confirm, like so. And the last step, I now go into verification, as it says. Final step, located in verification. Click verification. Click the tick. I have done this already, so the tick is already clicked for me. Click it again, and bam, you have now unlocked the full school. When you have live classes, it will pop up here. Will click listen now, and so all of you who have just joined CAPE Biology, it will show up for you. Okay, thank you for watching.